Good day everyone, I'm Sir Gilbert. This time I will explain to you how to multiply rational numbers. Here's our example number 1. 3 over 7 times negative 3 over 2. Okay, so in multiplying rational numbers, we multiply numerator by numerator and denominators by denominators. But before applying that concept, we first analyze if we can apply cancellation. Okay, so meaning we cannot apply cancellation, so we can directly multiply numerators by numerators and denominators by denominators. This time let's multiply the numerators. So 3 times negative 3 equals negative 9 over the product of the numerator 7 times 2, so that's 14. So therefore the product of 3 over 7 and negative 3 over 2 is negative 9 over 14. Okay, so let's have example number 2. Example number 2 is a negative 16 over 9 as an improper fraction multiplied by 3 over 8, a proper fraction. Okay, so this time, so let's analyze first. Negative 16 and 8 can be cancelled, negative 16 and 8, because negative 16 could be negative 2 times 8. So this will be cancelled out. Same thing with 8 here. So negative 16, so this will be negative 2. Okay? And 3 and 9, pwede rin natin sila i-cancel. So this will be 1 and this will be 3. Okay? So this is 1. So we can now multiply negative 2 and 1. So that's negative 2 over the product of 3 and 1. So 3 times 1, so that's 3. Okay, so meaning the product of negative 16 over 9 and 3 over 8 equals negative 2/3. Okay, so let's proceed to example number 3. So number 3 is 1 and 5 over 6 is a mixed number multiplied by 8 over 11. Okay, so 8 over 11. So this time, so we'll have to convert a mixed number to an improper fraction. So let's have a simple recall on how to convert a mixed number to an improper fraction. First, you have to multiply the whole number and the denominator, then add the numerator. So in this case, 1 times 6, so that's 6 plus 5, so that's 11. So 11 will be the numerator of our improper fraction. And just copy 6. Okay, then times 8 over 11. So as you can see, we can cancel 11 and 11 here. Okay. So 8 can be factored out, wherein one of its factor is 2. Same thing with 6 here. So 2 times 3, and this one is 2 times 4. So this will be 4 and this will be 3. Okay, so we can now multiply 1 times 4, so that's 4, and 3 times 1 here, so that's 3. Okay, so the result will be 4/3. Okay, so let's have example number 4. Let's first erase this one. Example number 4. say 17 over 4 times 3 and 1/5. Okay, so equals 17 over 4 times, we change this mixed number to an improper fraction, so that's 3 times 5 plus 1, so that's 16 over 5. Okay, so 4 and 16 can have a common factor, and that's 4. So this one is 4 times 1, and this one is 4 times 4. So the remaining factor here is 1, and 16 will be 4. Okay, so 17 and 5 are already a prime numbers. So we can now multiply 17 and 4. So that's 17 times 4. So that's 68 over 1 times 5. So that's 5. Okay, so 68 over 5 will be the product of 17 over 4 and 3 and 1 over 5. So that's 68 over 5. Okay, so let's have example number 5. Example number 5, they are both mixed numbers. So we'll have changed 2 and 5 over 8 and 1 and 2/3 into an improper fraction. Okay, so that's 2 times 8 plus 5, so that's 21 over 8 times, so that's 1 times 3 plus 2, so that's 5/3. Okay, so equals, so we can cancel or apply cancellation when it comes to 21 and 3. Okay, so one of the factor of 21 is 3, so we have 3 here, so we can cancel the 3 and the 21, so the remaining factor will be 7 here, and here is 1. Okay, so then apply multiplication of fraction, so by taking the product of the numerators and the denominator, so the 7 times 5, so that's 35 over the product of 8 and 1, so that's 8. Okay, so this will be our final answer. Okay, so that's it for multiplication of rational numbers. Thank you.